As a special thanks, I want to give you a blooper reel from this last year. It's absolutely hilarious. And then another owner by the name of Mike had a Tundra as well, a 2020. And then Mike was another owner of a ultimately, every vehicle has a life, and every vehicle ultimately has a every vehicle ultimately has a birth. We know a lot of the full-size trucks and the Ram loyalists wanted Mopar power with the V8s, and this is one of the few with the 5-liter that is still one of the best bullet horse. And with all of that said, everybody, be sure to check out right there our Toyota. And with all of that said, I really hope you've enjoyed Krusty Car News for today and a couple. The car market is back in 2002, 3 years ago, when the Leaf was purchased brand new. You pay 6 figures, you expect 6 figure fault, like a Chrysler, or it's got this great little active decal Raptors and Raptors. Go ahead and enjoy the exotic. Go ahead and enjoy. No. You basically get the whole 9 yards here. So you go to menu. Maybe try to learn who they are and possibly just be chum. You're likely get more honey. But even the prime, they won't work properly. I'm gonna walk you down with some of the I'm gonna walk down. This one's a Jeek or joke. You like so far? Be sure to hit that membership button. I'd love for you to come around and see what actually makes Mark tick. But this one now gets a couple of different changes. You can get a hybrid. You definitely gonna want to sit back, grab a snack, grab a beverage, and sit back and watch. If I got this key in my pocket right here like this, I'm able to just do this with my foot. I'm able to do this with my foot down. I'm able to do this with my foot. I'm able to go to the rear here with the key in my pocket. And with the key in my pocket, simply means that many cars today, because of their douche, and I'll click the link at the end, be sure to click you're jacking it and you're working very safely. I hope you enjoyed 2025, and guess what, 26 promises to be an amazing year. Definitely be sure to subscribe, and we'll see you all real soon. Enjoy your holidays, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.